happy morning to one and all. Today we discuss the topic stock exchange. In this session, we can know that what do you mean by stock exchange and what are the functions of stock exchange. Let us move to the topic. A stock exchange is a marketplace where securities such as stocks and bonds are bought and sold. If you wants to buy a product, you goes to a market. Likewise, if you want to purchase a stock like shares or debentures or money market instruments, a stock exchange is the place. That is the meaning of stock exchange. Let us move to the topic of definition. The Securities Contract Regulation Act of 1956 defined stock exchange as an association, organization or a individual which is established for the purpose of existing, regulating and controlling business in buying, selling and dealing in securities. By this we can know that every organization or individual need some help, and the help was given by the stock exchange. In this, the public or an organization can exchange the money from one person to one person. That is the through buying and selling securities. Let us move the next slide. In this slide, we discuss about functions of stock exchange. The functions of stock exchanges are: first one, central trading place; next one, settlement of transactions; next one, continuous market; next one, supply of long-term funds; next one, setting up of rules and regulations; next one, helps capital formation; and last but not least, directs the flow of savings. Let us discuss the topic one by one. The first one, central trading place. The stock exchange is the central trading place for the dealers or investors. To meet the requirements, the stock exchange is the central trading place. And the next one is settlement of transactions. The stock exchange provides convenient arrangements for the settlement of transactions. The next one is continuous market. These are markets for the existing securities. These are places for the holders of securities to buy and sell their securities, and for those who want to invest their savings. That is, always have the continuous market. And the next one is supply of long-term funds. The supply of long-term funds is helpful for the investors and as well as to the business persons, because if the company wants to acquire more capital, the company can issue the shares through the stock exchange. In this way they can get the long-term funds. While coming in part of investor point of view, investor wants to earn more some money. So to earn the more money, the stock exchange helps them to get the long-term capital. And next one is setting up of rules and regulations. Stock exchanges set up rules and regulations governing the conduct and finance of their members. The next one is helps capital formation. Stock exchanges helps capital formation. The publicity given by the stock exchanges about the different types of securities and their prices encourage the investors to save the money and invest in securities. And last one is about directs the flow of savings. A stock exchange directs the flow of savings of the community between different types of investments. It also helps to meet the investment needs of entrepreneurs. And this is the topic about functions of stock exchange. Thank you.